Hello! Happy December, everybody! I thought that I'll make an advent reel calendar of 24 keycaps until Christmas Day. For the first day, we will be making a Kirby. He is so freaking adorable! I always pick him when I'm playing Super Smash Bros, but honestly, he's kinda useless. Or maybe I am. For the details, it has to be Christmassy, of course, and I've decided to have him hold a star, symbolizing the stars that you see on Christmas trees. And I've also added a little Santa hat. I think he turned out really cute. What you think?